How to disable and enable checking for spelling error on Google Chrome browser on your computer. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you have Google Chrome browser installed on your device. Once you've done that, open it. It comes out like this. Go to the top right corner here, click on these three dots. Now from here, scroll down until you get to settings, click on it. Once you click on settings, then come to this side, locate and click on languages. Once you click on languages, it come out like this. Then scroll up a bit until you see this button, check for spelling error when you type text on web page. So if this button is enabled, it check for spelling error when you type on web page, and if it's toggled off, then it will not check for spelling error when you tap on web page. So this is the same process on how to disable and enable check for spelling error when you tap on web page on Google Chrome browser. If you enjoyed this tip and if not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.